Hello and welcome to Sheffield Hallam University Department of Art and Design. My name is Liz Noble and I'm the recruitment lead and one of the tutors. Today we're in the head post office, which is our home to our undergraduate and postgraduate courses, and we want to introduce you to some of our fantastic facilities and talented technical team.
My name's Lisa Batty and I'm a senior technician at fashion design over at HPO. We're in the fashion studios and it's mainly used for manufacturing and pattern cutting. We have lock stitch machines, overlockers. There's also fabric printer that we do have. We have the plotter so we can plot out patterns. Yeah, the facilities are really good. The support that we give students, it's very hands-on and we're teaching them to manufacture on the machines and also pattern cut, how to put garments together. So it's a very wide spectrum of what we do. When they first start, it's really basic, getting to know how to pattern cut and manufacture. But then as they get into third years, they have to do a collection themselves of 6 looks normally, and one look could be anything from a coat, a shirt, trousers. So the things that they do create are absolutely amazing, and because of the facilities at the university, anything's achievable really. They'll be really familiar when they do go into industry with the machines and the cutting out facilities. So hopefully everything what we've got here is transferable into industry.